Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a responsive website. So the first thing you will do now, before we go into this particular step-by-step tutorial, this video is in series. I have up to 5 series on this video. You can go ahead and watch by the time if you are able to watch from the part 1 to the part 5 of this video, you will be able to create any kind of website that you want to create. All right, let's dive into the video. All right, the first thing you need to do is you're going to buy a domain name and a hosting plan. Now there are a lot of hosting website and domain website where you can actually buy a domain name and hosting plans. So there are lot and lot. We have Hostiga, we have a lot of them. But the one I use here in Nigeria, I actually use Host Now. I use Host Now. So guys, if you want to use this, on my bio I have you can click on the link to actually go to this particular website. Click on the link on my bio and you can sign up on this website. So I'll click and open this particular website, Host Now. Now the first thing you need to do is to click on Get Started. Now this particular page will open. Now you're going to put the domain name that you want to use. For instance, I'm using Mega iTech. Now here you choose whether it's a .com or .ng or .com.ng or .net, or now you choose whatever one you want and click on Get It Now. All right, now it has given me well, let's wait for it to load. Now you can see .com is 20,000, .net is 26,000, .org.ng is 3,000, and .biz is 11,005, like that. So whichever one you want according to your budget, you can go for it. All right, now if whichever you go for, just click on it and add to cart. Okay, we've added to cart. Then you scroll down and choose a web hosting. Once you get your domain name, the next thing you need to do is to choose a web hosting. Or if you have a web hosting already, you have a web hosting or you have a domain name already from another platform, you can transfer your domain name to this particular hosting site. So let's go ahead and exploit the packages, the hosting packages that we have on Host Now. All right, we see the Robin hosting here. You have 10 GB disk space, 20 GB and bandwidth, no free domain registration. So in this particular option, there's no free domain registration. You have 8 free subdomains, 1 hosted add-on domains, unlimited emails, unlimited SQL database, and you have PHP CGI. Now this is for this particular one, is 1,200 monthly. Now in this one, Flamingo hosting is 1,500, so you have 15 GB storage, 40 GB bandwidth, unlimited subdomains, 3 hosted add-ons. So you see the difference on all the plans. This Ego hosting 2,200, this is 30 GB storage, this is Orc hosting and you have unlimited storage space. This one has unlimited storage space. So if you have your money, you can go for this one. Is 3,500 per month. Now these ones are cPanel hosting. They are cPanel hosting. Then you can also go for the for the cloud hosting. The cloud hosting are more expensive because your site will be hosted on the cloud. All right, now whichever you want to choose, you click. So you order. After ordering, you can say register a new domain. Okay, we've gotten a domain name already. Okay, say I will use my existing domain, update my name servers. Okay, so we click on this, and then the domain that we had was mega high tech. Then you say use. All right, now we see that what we have here is 1,612 naira for the Flamingo hosting. Now here you come here, and this is a monthly subscription. Now you go and if you want quarterly, quarterly is 4,500, semi-annually is 9,000, then yearly is 15,000. This is by nearly, that is for 2 years, 30,000. If I would advise that you always go for the 1 year or 2 years plan, so that you don't have to bother about renewing this for until you get to about 1 year or 2 years. So if we are going for a 1 year plan, and these are the free SS certificate, you can click on this so you can get your free SSL certificate. Then when you're done, you just click on continue. When you click on continue, I don't want to buy this domain now because I already have a domain and a hosting plan. When you click on this, they send you your bill, and then you pay through transfer into that account. So when you pay through transfer, the next thing that will happen is that they will send your cPanel into your email address. And when they send your cPanel into your email address, where that is what you now use to open the back end of your website. So guys, this is where we'll draw the curtain in this part one of how to create a website step by step. So go ahead and watch the part two, where we continue from where we stop, and you're going to see a lot on how you can be able to create a website without even coding. So you don't need to be you don't need to have knowledge of coding. You just you create a beautiful and a responsive website. All right, guys, make sure you watch the second video on this particular series so that you be able to create your own website.